what I think. Yeah.
A man who broke many of the rules of politics and helped to break Britain's link to Europe. The convener is attended at Westminster.
So about Labour and its leader, well, Jeremy Corbyn's name was taken in vain by his MPs at a meeting tonight. They talked about the pressure on him rising, but it feels like it did again this evening. Mr Corbyn's deputy, Tom Watson, who wants him to go, says he'll talk to the unions tomorrow to try to persuade them to pull their support for him within the party.
After the events of the past week, I wanted to talk directly to Labour Party leaders.
This afternoon, Jeremy Corbyn released this message for his followers, appealing for his party, in particular his MPs, to back him.
I want to reach out to all our members, to all our supporters, to all our trade union affiliates, and to my colleagues in Parliament. Come together, now.
But it's too late. He has lost the support of Labour MPs, even if he still has the support of the majority of the party membership. It's not emerged that Labour's deputy leader, Tom Watson, met Mr Corbyn this morning and told him that was not enough. Without the support of MPs, he could